2007 chrysler 300 engine type 345 towing fuel pump with lemon. First time you remove the bench seat. This one, remove the bench seat. And remove the cover fuel from the left side. Remove the cover fuel pump. And take off the connect and use a paddle to take off the key fuel pump. Paddle tooth. Yeah. You turn the latch, take off the cover, and take off the fuel from the right side. Hold the fuel pump. Take off the cover. Remove the connect the hole and remove the key. Use a paddle tooth. Take off the key. Turn the latch. And remove the old fuel pump. Be careful the connect and two hole with the right side and the connect. Make sure. You put the new fuel pump and the hole the rod right side. And put the new fuel pump, put the connect and the key, the close. Put the cover. Turn on the key. One time, two time, three times start. Okay, thank you for you watching my video. Please put subscribe for me if you like. Next time I put video. Thank you.